Welcome to a breathtaking drive from Denver to Estes Park, a gateway to the majestic Rocky Mountains. We're leaving Denver's bustling city scene and heading northwest, toward a world filled with natural wonder. As we make our way up, you'll watch the landscape slowly transform from flat plains to rolling foothills, then dramatic, towering peaks. On the highway, we pass through charming small towns, each with its own character, a blend of old West spirit and new outdoor culture. The further we go, the more we realize we're not just traveling toward a place. We're entering a state of awe and renewal. The drive typically takes about an hour and a half, but we're not in a rush. We're following the traces of glacial formations, ancient forests, and wild rivers alongside the road, until we reach Estes Park, the base camp for your Rocky Mountain adventure. Here, you can experience a rich array of wildlife, numerous trails, serene lakes, and dramatic views that will stay with you long after you leave. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and let the Rockies unveil their magic, mile by mile.